Hello everyone. These are difficult times. We are made for community and communion with God and each other. And yet right now we are unable to meet this fundamental human need. This is especially true for those who are unable or afraid to leave their home because they are more vulnerable to this virus. The church has been through trials such as this before and has always been central to the care of those in the community. Holy Family Parish plans to do the same. We've had numerous people telling us that they want to help somehow, but they're not sure how. We've also had numerous requests for support, for food, for assistance from those in the community. That's why today we're launching a new initiative called Good Neighbours, to connect the needs of our community with the people who are willing to help them. This could be something as simple as a phone call, a word of encouragement, a gesture of hope, a prayer, or even just to make contact and have a connection with someone else in the community. There are 3 ways you can help with this initiative. First, log on to our website, holyfamily.ca/neighbors. There you will be able to sign up, either as someone in need of this kind of support, or in need of food assistance, or as someone who's willing to help in various ways. After signing up, we will be in touch with you. You do not have to be a Catholic or a Christian to take part in this program. So please, look around you. Look at the people in your immediate vicinity who may need this service and encourage them to go and sign up. Second, we are anticipating an increase in the amount of food requests made to our St. Vincent de Paul Society, and we need your help. That's why we will be having a food drop-off every Thursday from 2 to 4 p.m. in the church parking lot. This is where you can safely drop off food for the St. Vincent de Paul to distribute. Please be generous, as our ability to help the poor depends on these donations. And third, if you have the means to continue supporting the parish financially, please do so. We continue to need your support. We are also going to be increasing the amount of digital content available to your family via our website. This will come in the form of daily reflections, perhaps from Father Gary or other members of the community. We also have a great resource made available to all of our members called formed.org. Formed has a library of digital content with lots of different spiritual materials, courses, videos, material for kids. It's really a fantastic resource, and we encourage you to make use of it. And in conclusion, we want you to remember that there is hope in the life, death, and resurrection of Jesus Christ. Although we can't be together physically right now, we can join together in one spirit, in one baptism under one God, who is still the Lord of heaven and earth. May God be with you all. Thanks for watching.